I think engineering is a lot of critical thinking and problem solving. A lot of people think, oh, it's just math and science, but it really takes the thinking aspect of all disciplines. Speed with the co-op program has such a great opportunity for you to be able to practice what you're learning in school and then gain some real-world knowledge. My specific co-op helped prepare me for classes I was going to have and then pulled a little bit from classes I had already taken. I'm a chemical engineering senior. At Speed School, you have the same professor for multiple classes, and so it really allows you to form those bonds and connections. They're always available. I'm in a sorority, and I'm in the Society of Women Engineers. I'm in the American Institute of Chemical Engineers. Those other activities that I'm involved in that well rounds your school experience. Being a good engineer isn't just, oh, I got an A in this class. It's what did I do outside of that class that made an impact on the university or just in my smaller community.